Hey there, what's up? Today I am very excited to introduce you this best automation tool that will scrape data from this website. It will first scrape data from this type of listing and then it will notify you via email if it find any new products on this listing. In this short video I am going to show you how to use this tool. So first you will receive this zip file from me. Once you extract it, open this and find exe file and open that one. Okay, this is the interface of our board. Here you will just need to type your desired link. For example, you use this one, and here you will just need to put your email, and these are the time interval. If I choose 10 minutes, it will scrape all data and then it will wait for 10 minutes to recheck again. Okay, once you put all the information, just click start button. Now it has found some new products and it is scraping data. It is scraping product title, price, location and the product link. And you can also count how many rows have been scraped. Right click on the any column name and show footer and click count button. And you can also pause or resume it. And by clicking this link you will find this video that will help you how to use this tool. Once it scraps all the new products, then it will notify us on this email. As this is demo, that's why I use my email. So I will show you how it notifies. Once it scraps all, next time it will skip those products that are already have been scrapped. It will scrap only new products. Okay, I'm going to make the video 10x faster just to save our time. As you can see, it is clicking next pages but is not scraping the products because they are old. Now it has sent the email and exported the data into file, and it will recheck all the new products after given time. I'm going to pause it. First I will show where it has exported file. It has exported file with the current time date. Okay, this is the data. And it has also notified us on our email here. Now these are the listing that it has scrapped, and these are new products on that listing. You can also load from here, and this is the product links. You can also access product just clicking that link. Okay, this is our board. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. I will be very happy to assist out.